To get started with Assignment 3, make sure you have installed the integrated development environment called PyCharm. And of course, you watch the videos, read some web pages, and then you get to the part where you apply your knowledge. So we're going to make a folder called Assignment 3, and we're going to create a PyCharm project that will use that folder. So that folder will be a subfolder under your Python class folder. Once that's done, you'll make a brand new script. Once you have a blank script, you'll start adding in code. So I recommend you start off by putting in your header and some basic outline of what you're trying to accomplish. Then you run the code that you've written and make sure it works. Now, I recommend that when you run your code to write to a file, don't put the path of the file in there. If you don't put the path, what's going to happen is that the file will immediately show up right next to where your Python script is. So for example, I've got a project here. I've made the home inventory file. When I finish, I end up with an answer file. But because I didn't specify where the location was going to be, I just specified the name of the file, homeinventory.txt. It put it right next to my home inventory file. And that's what you're looking for. When you open it, you should see that, yes, it worked. So that's what you need to do, and I will let you get to doing it. After that, of course, document it. So get some screenshots as you're writing and running your code so you can add it to your document and make them look nice. Have fun.